Marhaba Storyinteracters. Today we're going to learn the question words in spoken Arabic from the Levantine variety. As usual, with the Storyinteracters method, we're going to put those in our body because it helps retention. Let's learn the first one. First one is who. Meen. Circle your head because you want the name of a face. Meen. The second one is shoo or what. Shoo. Shoo. Third one is kif. Kif means how. Do it with me. Kif. You painting the picture. Kif. Next one is where. Ween. Ween. Next question word is why. Lesh. Lesh. You might also hear le, lesh. Why? Next one is when. Enter. Enter. The next one is yes or no. So you're going to do yes or no. And in Arabic, you can raise your intonation or you can say she, fi walad, she, there is a boy, yes or no. She. Next one is kam. How many? Kam. Kam. Count on your fingers. Kam. Kam. And the last one is aye. Which one? Aye. This one or this one? Aye. I hope that was helpful. We see you in the next video.